Drinking clove water may have several health benefits, which include digestive health. In digestive health, relieve digestive issues. Clove water may help alleviate symptoms of indigestions, bloating, and gas. Have antibacterial properties. Cloves has antibacterial properties which may help to combat bacteria in the digestive tract. Have anti-inflammatory effect. That is number two, high benefit effect. One of these is what reduce inflammation. Cloves may help reduce inflammations in the body, which may alleviate symptoms of conditions like arthritis. And number two, on that you have antioxidant, right? Antioxidant property. Clove contain antioxidants which may help protect against oxidative stress and inflammation. You have immune system support. Immune system support. Sometimes you need to boost your immune system. Drinking close water can boost your immune system. Close water may help support the immune system or reducing the risk of illness like common cold and flu. I have antimicrobial properties. Cloves has antimicrobial properties which can help combat harmful microorganisms like HIV, virus, have hepatitis, and others. So, other potential benefit of cloves water is oral health. Cloves water may help elevate toothaches and gum inflammation, respiratory issues, that is taking in oxygen release of carbon dioxide. Clove water may help relieve symptoms of respiratory issues like bronchitis and asthma. So those with asthma can use clove water to help themselves have skin health. Clove water may help improve skin health, reduce the appearance of acnes and other skin issues. How then do we prepare this clove water and consume them? To make clove water, you can steep 1 to 2 cloves in a cup of boiling water for 10 to 5 to 10 minutes. Strain in the maximums and drink the water. You can also add honey or lemon to taste it. However, there is exceptions which I'm going to discuss the precautions of it. Have allergic reactions. Some people may allergic to cloves, so it is essential to monitor for any adverse reactions, interactions with medications. Clove water may interact with certain medications such as blood thinner, so it is crucial to consult with a healthcare professional before you start taking it. And talk about pregnancy and breastfeeding. There is a limitations to research regarding to these pregnancies and breastfeeding. So consult a health professional if you want to indulge in consuming or taking this clove water as a pregnant or breastfeeding mother. So that is what we have to discuss in this video. If you have anything regarding to what I've just said here, you can now drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply you. Thank you and see you in my next video.